There is a reason why some things are living your life right now, and it has nothing to do with failure. I didn't understand this at first. For a long time, I thought when something ended, changed, or even fell away, it meant that I had done something wrong, that I hadn't tried hard enough, that I had to stay holding on long enough. Then I noticed something about my own life. I was staying committed to habits, to roles, to relationships that did not align with whom I was becoming. Nothing was wrong with them, but the longer I held, it became heavy. The more I tried to maintain everything, the more drained I became. That is when the idea of pruning started to make sense. Because life is not about breaking down, it's about clearing space. Hello, beautiful souls. I'm Noma Kukumpofu. Welcome to this space of clarity, intentional living, self growth, and healing. Take a breath. You are not lost. You are not behind. You are right where growth begins. So, here is why pruning matters. Growth isn't about holding on to everything. Just like a tree, your energy, your focus, and your clarity get spread too thin when we carry what no longer serves. Pruning is intentionally letting go, and it has three powerful things. Number one, it strengthens your energy. You stop spending emotional, mental, and physical resources on seasons that are not meant for you. Number two, it sharpens your vision. When unnecessary branches are gone, the path forward becomes clear. You can then start acting on what truly matters. Number three, it creates space for growth, letting go of the old and opening new room for new things, new opportunities, new connections, new habits, and even new versions of yourself. Without pruning, life can feel heavy even when nothing is wrong. Clarity gets clouded, motivation feels forced, and growth slows, often unnoticed. For me, pruning required honesty, not with other people, but with myself. I had to admit that some things I was holding on to were rooted in fear, not purpose. The fear of letting go, fear of being misunderstood, fear of starting again. But once I released what no longer served me, I felt lighter. My thoughts became clearer. My energy returned. So here is a simple practice for you. Look at your day, your thoughts, your commitments. Ask yourself, does this support whom I'm becoming? If the answer is no, it's not failure. It is an invitation to prune. Even small pruning creates powerful clarity. Pruning is not a loss, it is a refinement. Pruning is not a loss, it is refinement. So when something is leaving your life, don't rush to replace it. Let the space teach you what it is for. If this resonated with you, watch the next video when we explore what happens when we refuse to let go and why it quietly drains us. Remember, you are not behind. You are becoming precise. You are creating space for clarity, growth, and intentional living.